First line. The elephant is the largest land animal on earth. Second line. It has a long trunk, big ears, and strong tusks. Third line. Elephants are very intelligent and social animals. Fourth line. They live mostly in forests and grasslands. Fifth line. Elephants eat plants, fruits, leaves, and grass. Sixth line. They use their trunk to drink water and pick up food. Seventh line. Elephants usually live in groups called herds. Eighth line. They are found mainly in Africa and Asia. Ninth line. Elephants are gentle but very powerful animals. 10th line. We should protect elephants and their natural habitats.